Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, we will talk about this one right here. This is a tripod from Benro. I think this is a carbon fiber one. I got this for free from Sir Edwin Martinez. Sir, thank you. And I also do have the Benro S4, the Aero S4 for video use. So for this video, bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 things kung ano ba yung mga usability ng tripod natin and if you really need one right now. First thing is stability. Syempre, we buy this tripod for stabilization purposes. Kasi minsan, if we're shooting using our hands, may mga micro shake or kapag katulad ko kayo na medyo shaky talaga ang kamay, hindi maganda sa video natin. So we use tripods for us to have those stabilized footages. Merong iba't ibang factor or merong iba't ibang use ang tripod or merong iba't ibang type ng tripod na pwedeng gamitin, and that's for our next video. For tripod itself, we use tripod for stability purposes. Next thing is mobility. Once you have a tripod like what I'm using right now, the Joby Gorilla Pod, kahit saan pwede kayong makapag-shoot even without something na paglalagyan ng camera mo. Di ba dati kapag wala tayong tripod pa, kailangan meron tayong patungan, kailangan level yung paglalagyan ng camera natin. So, using this tripod, using this Benro tripod, yan, pwede nyong i-adjust anytime yung height, pwede nyo i-place anytime kung saan sa lugar ng bahay nyo o dyan sa tapat ng bahay nyo once na nagsushoot kayo. So, you have that mobility and hindi ka lang nalilimit kung saan yung talagang usual place mo kasi doon lang kasi yung camera na ginagamit mo or yung phone na ginagamit mo. Doon lang talaga kasi applicable na ilagay yung camera mo kasi yung height, or baka doon lang yung maluwag na space, or doon lang talaga alam mo na protected yung camera mo at hindi mauhulog. So having this trusty tripod, magkakaroon ka ng mobility at kung saan-saan ka pwede mag-shoot sa loob ng bahay mo. Last thing is ability to shoot yourself. Like what I'm doing right now, hindi ko hawak yung camera ko and I can shoot myself, I can see myself on my screen. And yun, kaya ako bumili ng tripod for me to be able to use this kind of setup. And also, hindi lang sa video mo to magagamit eh. Kunwari, you want to shoot your thumbnail, mag-isa ka lang. So you can use this one, just set a timer on your camera and you can have your thumbnail right away. Meron pang ibang use tong tripod na to. So bibigyan ko kayo ng another bonus tip na pwede nyong gawin para sa mga tripod nyo. Or if you're considering buying one, you can also use this type of shot. So, if you have your tripod, magkakaroon ka ng ability to shoot long exposure photos. Since long exposure shots, meaning matagal na naka-open yung shutters natin, and kahit yung slight micro shake ng kamay natin or nung pinagpapatungan natin, masasagap niya. So, having a sturdy tripod na meron ka sa arsenal mo, magkakaroon ka ng ability to shoot greater long exposure images. Lastly is bonus tip lang. Kapag bibili kayo ng tripod, just make sure na sturdy talaga siya. Meron tayong pwedeng bilhin na mga, alam niyo yun, pag yung mga murang tripod na hindi natin maiwasan masangge yung mga tripod natin while we're shooting. So, if your tripod is filmy or talagang madaling mabuwag, or kapag humangin lang na malakas, lilipa rin siya, medyo hindi siya okay na tripod. Why? Kasi just imagine you invested on medium or high quality camera, high price din or medium price din, but you invest on a cheap tripod like 400 pesos, 200 pesos tripod or thinner aluminum one na kapag ka nasanggi mo is tutumba. Sayang yung camera na nilagay mo on your tripod. So, if you're considering buying one, buy a sturdy one kasi it will go a long way. Yung Aero S4 ko, college days ko pa yun nabili. Hanggang ngayon, gumagana pa at nagagamit ko dito sa YouTube. So, buying those tripods na sabihin natin na ang mahal naman yan ngayon, it will go a long way. Talagang magagamit mo siya in the long run. So if you're considering buying a tripod, just make sure na sturdy talaga siya kasi first of all, we want that stability, that mobility, and also able to shoot ourselves kahit mag-isa lang tayo sa production team natin. Syempre, once na we're a YouTuber, minsan mag-isa lang talaga tayo na shoot, edit, and post. Consider buying one. Even nagdadalawang isip ka pa ngayon kasi it will really help you in the future. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope na medyo naliwanagan kayo sa kung ano ba yung pinoprovide na use ng ating mga tripod. Also, meron tayong future content on what tripod ba yung applicable sa inyo kasi we have different tripods as well. Like this one, ball head to. Meron ding mga fluid head. Meron din yung mga overhead na tripod. So, ano ba yung fit na tripod para sa inyo? So, if you want to know more about those content, don't forget to click our subscribe button down here. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. And also, we do have our Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box below. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.